Let's shoot it. Good. Hey guys, welcome to this unboxing and shooting review. We've got here Umarex Glock 17 Gen 4, so officially licensed product of Glock. Perfection! Alright guys, here we have it, pretty simple cardboard box, and we will have little comparison, okay? Just for information. So, here it is. Okay, here it is. This replica and magazine inside. Alright, what is here? Here is some manual, so manual how to operate the gun. And what is next? We have the multiple back straps for bigger hands, and there is also pin. I have small hands, so I will work with standard grip. So let's unbox it. Oh, that's nice. That's properly black Glock 17 Gen 4. Officially licensed product of Glock, I love that. So here is your marking. Austria 17 Gen 4 Glock. Officially licensed product Glock, and here are some serial numbers. I like it. I like the looks pretty well. Here is some pin. Here will go your back strap, so pretty nice. Glock 17 Gen 4. Okay, so now just a little comparison. The box is a little bit smaller, but we don't play on box, so here is pretty simple. Also like manual, Glock 17 Gen 4 by VE. Yeah, mag is packed separately. Here are also the back straps. Here is also the pin. Pretty similar package. What do you say? And now check it. Which one do you like more? I think they look pretty similar, but this has official markings. What do you guys say? I think this is properly black, this is a little bit grayish. I like this black a little bit better than this, so just for your information. But I must say both of them look nice, but this one is official and it has official markings. I like that. We are going to use these BBs and we are going to use this gas. Can affect this test, but I don't have any other gas right now, so whatever. Trigger, 5 mm of travel, wall, release. Not light, a little bit harder, but definitely not too much hard. There is this base plate on the magazine. I like this feature, like you will unlock it like this and you can slide it open. So I like this. Now it will uncover the fill valve. I like this feature. Okay, 4 seconds is enough. Check this white channel. I like it. You can feel it easily thanks to that. Nice feature. Alright, the mag is full. Let's shoot it for the first time. First shot. Top-notch accuracy. I love that. Perfect. You can see that I was hitting the subscribe button easily, and you should do that too. Nice. Oh, this kicks hard. Wow, this kicks like mule. Guys, kicks harder with the same gas, but it was a little bit overhopping. It's matter of setting. Alright guys, I made a little mistake. I mismatched the magazines. I put VE magazine into Umarex Glock and Umarex magazine into VE Glock. First one was the VE. Now I'm going to shoot Umarex Glock with Umarex magazine. Oh, it's overhopping a little bit. Oh, it kicks hard. Kicks really hard. Alright, that was really good. Now let's shoot the VE Glock with VE magazine. What the fuck, what is this? But it shoot okay. Alright, now second magazine, Umarex Glock. I will set a hop little bit less. Umarex Glock, Umarex magazine. Let's do this. Oh, that kick. You can see that I was hitting the subscribe button easily, and you should do that too. Hey guys, I have took this video a little bit later because I bought this dry green gas. So now I will be shooting this dry green gas, Glock 17 Gen 4. The Glock have been cleaned and I will be shooting 0.28 gram BBs. Distance is 20 meters, so check it. I am aiming for the center to hit that subscribe button. You could do that too. I think we can increase the hop a little bit. It was nice. Now let's dump it. Nice. Guys, as you can see, I have hit that A4 many times and I have hit that subscribe button many times too. So you could do that too. Alright, so I pretty like the build quality of this Glock. It feels nice, it feels quality, the grip feels like it's made from quality polymer, the slide is nice, there are all official markings, I like that. The material of the slide feels nice, so I pretty like the build quality of this Glock. I like the looks, it feels great in the hand. I would say the trigger is more on the hard ones, but not too hard. I still can accept trigger like this, but it is more hard than I prefer. The sights are nice, it shoots nice. Kick was really nice, I haven't expected that. Hop up works good, it can hop 0.28 gram BBs easily. For this test I used Protect gas, which has much oil inside. This Glock took it nicely, like it was not spitting oil everywhere, so really thumbs up for this. What was interesting that it was working also on VE magazine, but the VE magazine has different gas route. It's flat. Umarex Glock has the saddle of this gas route is circular, so the fit is not natural, but it operated on that, so that is really interesting. Accuracy wise, I think this Glock is pretty okay. I was hitting this subscribe button easily, and you should do that too. So generally I like this AIRSOFT replica, I like it. You guys, thank you for watching and see you next time.